Saaremaal on kuulust venna, kellest räägitakse mõnda, noorem neiger vanem tõllus, kes ka vahest hullust möllas.
Üks mees on vigas.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey is,
Star FM-i vist on, ma ei tea, mis on.
but I know where to start.
Igale poole jätkama.
Tell me I'm too young to understand. Say I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and older. This time I was finding myself in when I'm wiser and I'm older. This time I was finding myself in but I only have two hands. Hope I get the chance to travel the world. I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young. Not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up when it's
Või kumb on parem? Parem, jah? Tuleks koos välja kutsuma. Esimene puude. Esimese puutuga. Ja praegu ei reageeri. Kuhu sa lähed ja võrrelda? Absoluutselt, see oli puhast tema välja ka. Midagi tuli. Nüüd on kõik. Nüüd võib hoida kas või hoia. Aga ta viga andnud, jah? Ilmselt lööb.